Survival hacks with 5-minute crafts! The best survival people on Earth.
We'll see in a moment.
Those ticks are not good news.
Word. But I also know that you can put the oil on it and it will get rid of it.
Yeah, you know that like one of the only ways to kill them is to like get a. Oh, it's also fleas, is to burn them. Yeah.
But as I know, they can leave the legs of there.
That's true. Yeah.
Not
they
good.
can leave an infection.
Yes. Yes. So you need to get rid of fully.
Yeah.
And better go to the doctor to make some medicine.
I would just chop my arm off. Okay, so now, iodine inside of a Q-tip. Okay, why were we doing this?
What's this cute tip?
What a cute tip. Nice. And then you can disinfect your wounds.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Wait, you gotta do it.
She's
For what?
okay. What is that for? Okay, now it's a nice bandage as well.
What is his face for?
I don't know. Yeah.
Like,
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
She's trying to help you out, son. Have some respect. That
she,
looked, what, she just got sweat and then drank it.
No, she said.
Okay, good.
Just kidding.
Dry shoes.
Yes,
Nice.
it's right. Okay, of course.
Chop some hair off. Okay. Very nice.
To survive, you need
To survive, you need to chop your hair off for sure.
Yeah, that's why I will.
Braids and then shoes, because that's more necessary than having hair. I love that for them.
Yeah, well, so cute.
Yeah. Moss?
Moss?
I must ask, really? So you're in the wild surviving, but you have money. Interesting.
It's how it usually happens.
Yeah, true, true, true.
But you need to find a way how you're gonna use your money.
Mm-hmm.
As you wish.
Plastic, and then we're rolling this up for what?
Oh.
Ah, it's a nice hat.
Clever.
I like it.
Wow. Good job.
Okay,
what is this?
hanger hook.
Oh, finger hook.
That's awesome,
I
actually.
love it. I love it.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I want one of those. We should get it as a gadget.
Shall we test this gadget?
See how strong it is.
Let's see.
Ah, okay.
Oh, it's like a.
It's like a mini changing room.
Oh.
Portable changing room.
Shower.
/ shower. Okay. Coffee filter holder.
Mm-hmm. And so water, I guess.
That's how it works.
Okay, yeah. Portable coffee machine.
Ooh, yeah, pump it up.
Bum.
The jam, pump it up while your feet are stomping. And the jam is pumping. Look at that, blah, 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 blah. I don't want. Okay, so we got some eggs. We're cracking open our eggs.
Okay, wow, perfectly cooked.
I would open it differently,
No
but
way
okay.
it's gonna work myself. Okay, the fish. What is this fish?
We put the fish on the plate, we flip the fish over, and then easy fish.
Wow.
Some nice pieces of meat. Wow, he went boar hunting or something. Jeez.
Sorry guys, but it looks very, very.
Like bought from a
tasty.
store.
Well, I wanna try it. So,
Okay.
to cook your bread, I guess. And for what? Oh.
Ooh.
Nice soup.
Okay. I actually want to test that and see if it's good.
Yeah, good soup.
We got some corn, we're heating it up, and it's popping.
With acid, right?
Yep. We tested this one. It was okay. It kind of burned.
Kind of burned, but yeah, good work. Okay, how to clean up, I guess. You just squeeze it. I saw.
Oh, and it's gonna be like a paste. I hate eggplant. This is.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. I hate it as well. I mean,
Why?
yeah. I don't understand how you can eat it.
Whoa!
Survival. Well,
Woo! Real deer. Okay.
nice.
Okay, this looks like a cooker of some sort. I guess it is. Using a knife to get off fuzz so that you can make more fire.
Yeah, and it worked. I tested this.
Ah, this one's
When I
cool.
was- Wow. Okay.
Ugh.
Whoa, they showed it
That was a
well,
little bit much.
but yeah, a little bit.
A good
Much.
representation. Okay, so a
Okay.
nice comfortable seat for your ducks.
Yes, for your ducks.
Okay,
Why you
so
need it, but okay. Longer and better.
windproof.
Windproof.
Okay, so now we have some dirt. Nice
Yeah.
dirt. I guess
Oh.
it's for. They were using it as a filter.
Filter, yeah. but I wouldn't recommend to drink it because something was left there for sure. Yeah. Okay,
Get some nice fishies.
Oh, how to attract fish?
Yay, we caught a fishy.
Not bad, money.
Okay, homemade compass. Yeah, I know that one. That's good. Hey, hey, hey.
Okay, wow.
A nice
Not
whistle.
bad.
You can actually do that with a piece of grass if you put it in between your two
Yeah.
thumbs.
Yeah, I know.
Whistle. That one's
But
good.
it's not that sound. I mean,
It does.
it's
It
loud.
does. You haven't done it right. You you
Okay,
know what I'm talking about?
okay. Maybe I did that.
We have to try again.
Yes.
Okay, so now we break
Ah.
this wood.
Alright, it's breaking the wood. For
Nice.
nice.
A homemade spatula.
Now I feel
Tongs.
hungry.
I'm pretty hungry right now. I'm hangry as well.
And angry. When I'm hungry, I'm angry.
I know a
What
lot of
about
people like
you?
that.
You feel the same thing?
No,
like
no. I
angriness.
no. My diet's like very weird. So like I'll not eat for a long time and then I'll eat a lot. So if I'm hungry, I just deal with it.
Wow, nice for you. Nice
Thank
for
you.
Yeah.
How about you? Do you get hangry?
Oh yeah, extremely, and I don't like it. That I'm sometimes really angry.
I don't like it when I'm angry either.
So, huh?
I said I don't like it when I'm angry either. Okay, so we
Yeah,
have
I
some
like the fact. Okay, anyway.
chalking some wood. Boom, 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 boom.
The
Nice.
action happens so fast.
Pretty cool. Oh, stack that wood like Jenga. Okay.
Yeah. So.
Twist this up.
Mhm.
Boom. And now hang your socks.
Okay. To dye it, this net.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pepper seeds for
For fishing?
yeah.
For
Ah,
grabbing?
lobsters.
So crabs? Lobsters?
Okay, we got some tape for the foot. For what? Are these just like homemade shoes?
Yeah.
They look like they're gonna cut your circulation off,
That's what I.
and your feet are gonna get
yeah.
really stinky and sweaty.
Yeah, but if you have no shoes, maybe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe.
But,
But
I
at the same
wouldn't
time,
recommend.
no.
Yes, the glue from this tape can leave some marks and.
Yeah. A nice stick system with some bait.
Bait?
Nice. It works
Oh.
great.
And already cooked.
Yeah.
Nice. You got.
It's impressive.
Yeah.
It cooks your stuff as well.
Okay. Wow.
All right, so we have a nice little oven thing there.
But wait a second. Oh, shovel?
Okay, it looks like it's gonna break after 2 uses, but okay.
But who knows? Maybe it's not that bad. Oh.
All right, we use a stick for
For
a
your-
backpack holder. That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
I would use that for sure.
Not bad. Not bad.
I want to use these. I want to take people camping and just like start using all these random 5-minute crafts hacks. And freak everybody out. They're like, "Have you lived here your whole life?"
You know what I would like to see?
What?
How they put some of their crafters and put them on an island. And
Yes.
they need to try to survive with their
Only
huts.
5-minute crafts.
Yeah.
Nice.
Would you watch such a video, guys? Let
Would
us
you
know.
watch it? Let us know if you want to see us on that series,
Yeah.
because I would like to go.
Me too, actually. Yeah.
I think Butch would survive for the whole thing.
You think so?
Yeah, I think no one would be left alive except Butch.
No, but if he go with his helmet, maybe yes.
Yeah.
If without,
Then it's no.
he done.
No, yeah.
He done.
Okay, we got a leaf.
So leave for what? For what?
Use it as a but make sure it's not like poison ivy or something. Then you're gonna have a really bad face day. Okay.
Yes. What is the stone for what?
Got a nice stone. Make it elastic.
Gotcha.
Use it as a rope. Very good. Willow. For what? Dry moss.
No.
Setting fire. Making smoke.
Or maybe for your.
Your s'mores? Your marshmallows?
Yes, of course. It's
That'd be
what
good.
you have usually, right?
Yeah. When I'm surviving in the wild, I like to make
Torch.
some nice s'mores.
Yeah. So torch.
I feel like that would catch on fire pretty fast.
Before it make dirt dry, maybe that's fine.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Nice for collecting water.
Yeah.
That's good. I thought he was gonna use it as a tent at first. So I was like, okay.
I hear somewhere that it's not healthy to use the water
From the rain.
from the rain.
It depends where you are, I think,
Yeah.
because there's like pollution in a lot of places.